guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I made my Jasmine headpiece, so keep on watching. To make Jasmine's headpiece, you will need an oval gem. I found this 2 inches hand-carved natural gemstone pendant on Amazon. I took out the stone from its tray because that is what I only need. I also bought this sculpey art clay in gold color. Now I have never tried sculpting and baking clay, so this would be my first time doing it. You will also need your cutting mat, rolling pin, and parchment paper. Cut a section off from your clay block and mold it into an oval shape that will serve as the back of your stone. Use a rolling pin to flatten the clay evenly. Use your stone as a guide, but add a little allowance on the sides. Now, I did a lot of trial and error for this project until I was satisfied with the shape and thickness of my sculpt. I also smoothened the edges after. I got another piece of clay and rolled it into a long strip and made sure it was even all throughout. I then ran it along the sides of my stone, cut the excess, and blended the edges. Unfortunately, I had to redo it because I forgot to do it on parchment paper. You need to do the sculpt on parchment paper so it would be easier to transfer it to your baking sheet later. The clay actually got stuck to my cutting mat the first time and it got ruined. That's why I needed to do it all over again. I tried to make it as thin as possible so it wouldn't be too heavy. You can also buy an oval cutter if you can find one. I actually ordered one, but it was too big. And don't forget to blend the edges of the border strip to finish it off. now I am done. I took off the stone and I am now going to bake this. This is how it looks like after you've done your sculpt. And this would be the tray for your gemstone. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Put in your sculpt and bake it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, put on some mittens and take it out of the oven and let it sit out to cool. Do not touch it yet because it is still hot. And here is my baked sculpt. It became hard and retained its shape. I actually did not put any glue between the flat oval and the round strip, but they kinda stuck onto each other. I pushed my stone in the middle and it fitted well. I didn't need to glue my stone, but you can put glue behind it if you want before popping it into the holder. And although I forgot to video it, I also glued the edges for reinforcement. Now I need to glue on a flat pin at the back. I removed the double-sided tape on it first. I used E6000 to permanently glue the pin to the back of the gem. Allow a few hours for the glue to completely dry. And now you have your headpiece gem for your Jasmine cosplay. You have the option to paint the clay with gloss if you want it glossy, but I was pretty satisfied with the result already. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and watch out for the second part, which will be how I made the headband itself. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to keep you posted on my videos. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions and check out my other social media channels. See you next time!